These cars are so violent. It's amazing how much damage we can do in 3.5 seconds.
You're going to win or lose by merely inches, thousandths, 10,000ths of a second.
Everything has to be built right. Everybody has to be on their game.
Hopefully you're on the other side of that, and you get the W.
Kalitta Motorsports is a professional drag racing team. We compete at 24 events across the country.
We use the product design and manufacturing collection from Autodesk. It makes our job so much easier. Not having to use multiple software packages saves us a ton of time. So Inventor is helpful because it's tied in with everything. You do all your modeling, you do your drawings. When you update in the model, it updates the cam. So these cars go over 330 miles an hour and they travel 1,000 feet in less than 3.5 seconds. To accomplish something like that is really tough on the parts.
This is not a business where you can make a ton of mistakes.
If we don't do our job down to the smallest detail, that driver's life is in our hands. Everything has to be built right. Everybody has to be on their game.
Welcome to Charlotte's Z-Max Dragway for the 4-Wide Nationals. We've got some great
safety is number one, and then second would be performance. We need to make sure our equipment's strong enough and light enough where we can outperform our opponents.
Currently, they're finishing up the track prep. We've got Top Fuel Dragsters up next for you.
At the 4-Wide Nationals, we had the Autodesk on Doug Kalitta's Top Fuel Dragster. My expectation is to win every race we go to.
In lane 2, we have Doug Kalitta with the Autodesk car.
So Inventor is helpful because races in our league can be decided by 1,000th of a second. So if we find something on a part to make it a little bit stronger, a little bit lighter, or a little bit better than what everybody else has, that makes us a big part of winning races.
For Kalitta, crossing the finish line first, clocking in over 330 miles per hour.
Seeing something get made and then get put on the race car and us going out and running over 300 miles an hour, that's pretty neat to see.